want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you instead.
Hey guys, back with another video. Wanted to do my eyebrows because some people ask me how I do it. So y'all, okay? I'm showing my little Urban Decay. Like a it's an eyeshadow primer, but I use it for my eyebrows and shit. If you see me talking, I'm talking to one of my niggas and shit. Little vibes. Yeah, and we getting it all on there. Oh, got a hair. So I'm going in with my Anastasia Dip Brown and Angle brush. A lot of people got like Anastasia or Anastasia, however you say it, but it doesn't really matter. Whatever pomade like thing you want to use and shit. So I like press it out so it can get flatter and shit. And I don't know, my eyebrows usually take probably around like 10 to 20 minutes. Cause I like to go for that perfect look, you know. Little strokes. The stroke game gotta be on point, if you know what I'm saying. Time for the other one. Okay, we getting somewhere. See, once we do like the top, like I do my lines first, so that's the like easiest part. What's it mean? And then you know we halfway to the finish line. Look at the focus. Ugly little girl. But yeah, like when you doing this, everything gotta be precise, because if it ain't, them streets gonna talk, boo. Them streets is gonna talk. Okay. Look at my face. Okay. I'm sorry it's not fully on camera, you know. I'm just still trying to come up, you know. I was looking at another mirror and shit, my eyeshadow palette. Okay, so we making the tail lines. I'm trying to balance out how it's looking and shit. So I gotta like measure it up, like see how it look. Can't be too long, can't be too thick or too thin. Everything gotta come together. And so once I feel like my eyebrows are good, then I just fill them in. So what you see me doing here, I don't fill in with the Anastasia, but I just filled in with like a black powder on the eyeshadow, which I don't normally do. I like to go in with like a dark brown, but I didn't have that at the time, so we just doing it in light strokes, not making it too dark and sharpie-ish like I did in high school. Not a good look, by the way. Turn around. Oh my God. Turn around like, who that, Hoppo? What you say? Trying to create them natural hair strokes going up. Up. For that, you know, ombre effect. Yes, we coming around the mountain, babe. Keep it going. Gotta look in the camera, see who look good, see who's not good. Okay, look like I'm feeling myself a little bit. I'm like, all right. And so I just take, like, as you can see, like a lighter shade. I don't know how to fucking explain it, but you see the color. You got it. All right. And then I know some people go in with concealer and stuff like that, but I don't have that or feel like I really need that. So I just go in with, like, a lighter shade. Just go in under the line, make it look a little bit more cleaner. And then just to make the brows pop, really. Yeah. Oh, bitch. Fuck it up. Hey. Oh, okay. I'll take this little smaller brush and And then I'm gonna go in. I like to do like a little shimmery color too, cause it just make me feel cutesy wootsy and shit. So yeah, but I ended up mixing like kind of like a goldish shimmery, and then like it's called Moonlight, the one I showed you guys. So I mixed those two together and just created the desired effect. Going back a little more. I want you to see my highlight when I'm outside, you know. Blend it out. Look in the mirror like you a bad bitch. Yeah. Okay, this is the final result. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.